Yeah, hi everyone, this is Sahil from BlueTape.com. I'm here to pitch for Let's Venture. At BlueTape, we help brands to launch fan merchandise. So what exactly is fan merchandise and how exactly we enable the brands to launch their merchandise? So I'm wearing Beatles t-shirt right now. I'm wearing Ferrari jacket. But these brands are not in the business of creating, making t-shirts or jackets or maybe cushion covers, wall clocks or toys. But as a consumer, as a fan, I want to own products of these brands. I want to own merchandise of these brands. I want to flaunt what exactly I love, what exactly I like. So we help these brands to launch fan merchandise. So now I will take you to who are our competitors, how exactly our model works, and what are alternatives that these brands have if Bluetooth is not here. So so the zero step of our business is to get the brand IP, the brand right. So here's a brand with the IP. It can be a movie, it can be a music band, it can be a sports team. So we go to these brands, we take their license to create this consumer merchandise. After this step, we do product planning with the brand. So every brand is different. Maybe it's Vodafone's Juju's character, maybe it's Samsung of Yashraf Kira, or maybe it's Doom 3, or maybe it's Krish 3 or KKR. So every brand is different and the kind of product that should go for that brand are different. So with the help of the data that brand have and the data we have generated with the previous brand, we do the product planning for those brands. Then happens creative designing, like how to showcase that product, or what kind of design should go on this product. And after this, we put these products online at bluegape.com. BLUEGAPE.com. So that's our primary. So we get to know what kind of products are doing well, what are the products getting most views, what are the products getting sold most. So till this point we work on no inventory model. We don't create any inventory for any product. So once we get to know like what kind of products consumers are liking, so we take these products to offline and online marketplace. So offline marketplace like Walmart, online marketplace like Amazon or Flipkart. So we cover the complete marketplaces across the world to reach out to the maximum audience for the designs which we selected based on the consumer behavior. So who are the competitors into this field? How exactly they do that? So there are three types of competitors. So one is licensing companies. So companies like Dream Theater, Wildest Group, and then Bradford Licensing. So then we have companies like BioWorld. Then we have, then the third thing is like consumer division by a brand itself. So I explain all of them in this video. So licensing company. So these licensing companies go to a brand, take their license, then do the product planning, and then they look out for local different licensees who can actually manufacture those products and distribute it. So this model works very well in US, but Indian retail market is very unorganized. So you can't work on the same model what's working in the West in Indian market. So what we do in Indian market is work on a model where we do the creative designing and then get the distribution done, create the data, and then sell those products to offline and online market in a very organized way. So in this model, so there's no brand loyalty sales like manufacturers who are creating and distributing products locally. They won't go back to the brand and give proper reporting. Brand positioning is again at stake. So we control all of these issues here. Then there are companies like BioWorld. So what they do is after this step, they directly go to offline and online marketplace. So the whole business becomes very inventory intensive and a very capital intensive business. Where BioWorld is at stake with a lot of inventory on it. If design doesn't go well, they are on the stake of whole the inventory they have created now. But what we are doing is creating a data like what kind of products will go well and then create the inventory and go to online and offline marketplaces. So third option is brand go and start their own consumer division. This is what exactly Chhota Bheem has done. Chhota Bheem have set up their own all consumer division. MTV has set up their own consumer division. But the problem in setting up their own consumer business is very capital intensive again. Brand has to hire a lot of people. So brands prefer to outsource the whole merchandising business to a third party. Even Chhota Bheem guy has given a statement to Forbes that if there would have been a company like Bluegate, he would like to give the rights to them and get the whole things outsourced. So this is our model. So who are the brands consumers working with us? So we have 3 clients on board right now. So we have Krish 3. So we created these products for Krish 3. Even Priyanka tweeted some of these products, Ritik tweeted some of these products. So we get a lot of traffic, referral traffic from our website, and we also give traffic to our referral partners. Also we have a brand, Indian Ocean. With Indian Ocean we are doing all the categories. So they have been requirements for conditions. So we create a lot of merchandise for Indian Ocean. We generate data, we sell them online, and then we take them to online and offline market. So then our designers, they come up with very innovative designs, very creative designs, and also we promote these designs to our marketplaces we have. The third brand, we recently signed up with 9XM. So 9XM has characters, Chote Bade and Bhegi Bildi. So we are converting them into merchandise. Apart from these, 2 more brands we are coming up with. One is Yashraj Films, we are signing up for the complete catalog of Yashraj. And one more brand for which we have NDA signed and we can share it right now. So this is exactly the business model. How do we make money out of it? So we make money on every transaction happening. So the transaction may be happening at Walmart, maybe at Flipkart, or maybe Amazon, or maybe Bluecare.com. So every year we get a percentage of product. So it depends upon where we are selling the product. So we usually make somewhere between 25% to 35% on each transaction happens. So currently we are doing around 200 transactions across all the channels every day. So we are live on almost all the e-commerce sites in India, and we are live on Walmart, Lifestyle, Shoppers Stop in the offline space. So that's for our business model. So hope you like it. So thanks everyone, thanks for listening to me, and drive safely and work for our party. Thank you very much.